Top 6 Castile soaps for green cleaning. This vegan, olive oil and coconut-based Castile soap are usually used for skincare, but because of its tea tree content, it does double duty as an effective, disinfecting household cleaner. Give it a try for cleaning your bathroom or kitchen where it will kill germs and fight mildew. Certified Fair Trade and USDA Organic, Dr. Bronner's soaps have been around for over 60 years, and a portion of the company's profits goes to charities and causes worldwide. Its unique formulation containing pure essential oils and organic, extra virgin coconut, olive, jojoba and hemp oils, is available in many convenient sizes and a wide range of scents from citrus to tea tree. Dr. Wood's all-natural Castile soaps, available in 5 cents and 3 handy sizes, are pH-balanced and produce a nice vitamin E-rich lather. The company also makes our soaps with shea butter, which is a little more moisturizing and richer, perfect for skincare. With 10% of the profits going to charities and over 20,000 organic soaps and lotions are to the homeless, you can feel good about buying Castile soap from Natural Way Organics. Its blends are made with all natural organic ingredients, including organic aloe vera and saponified coconut, olive, and jojoba oils. Available in 1 size and 5 cents. Help plant a tree with your purchase of this all-organic, Castile soap with scents that bring you back to nature. For every 5 gallons of soap purchased, the Oregon Soap Company, in partnership with Friends of Trees and Trees for the Future, will plant a tree or native plant. Available in 9 fantastic scents and 4 sizes up to 1 gallon. Bring a little sunshine into your cleaning regimen with the uplifting citrus scent of this all-natural Castile soap that is USDA certified organic. It has multiple uses and is gentle on the skin. Plus, with 4 different sizes to choose from, including a gallon, you'll have enough to get some serious cleaning done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.